Another glorious morning. Cold, really cold. Oh look, we've got the crows here. I just disturbed them. Sun's rising. 4 crows today. What's that? I can't remember. Oh, there's 5. There's another one over there. River's totally frozen. I think we're about -17 or something today. It's a bit brutal. I'm still suffering from the snow blowing yesterday. It might take me a day to recover. No critters came last night, I don't think. Maybe the flying squirrels sneaked in. Their feeders seem to be empty. They just come sneaking when there's nobody about. No raccoons, no skunks. Everybody else is hibernating. Gone into torpor. So there we go. Crows are in their tree, doing crow things. Squirrels are just waking up, I can hear them. Anyway, sun's rising, I'm off for a shower. Let's see what we can film today, because I'm not doing much else. It's cold.